What is going on, guys? Today is the day that I'm gonna pick up my car, my dream car, after 6 months sitting on my brother-in-law's property. So we're gonna drive about 30 minutes. My father-in-law has a trailer and a truck, pretty cool one, and he's gonna help us out to get it. But anyways, so the plan for today is gonna be show you the car. It's in the garage right now. We're gonna start it up. It does not run very well. We're hopefully gonna get it into the trailer, get it home, inspect it, and hopefully you guys get to see what it's like. Here we go. I don't know if my father-in-law it's here. They should be here with the pickup and the trailer. Yeah, they are. There they are. So before I spoil anything, I'm gonna cut up the video here, and then you guys will see.
Of a cross in a passion where the passion is hate. Blooming thought I'm gonna detonate in your dad. Blood in the house, blood on the street. Worst things in the world are justified by belief.
Wow.
Se ve genial, güey.
Le falta un diente.
Tengo otra bolita. I guess. Plastic bucket in the trailer. Toma. Tú sigue grabando. Párale y luego sigue grabando. onda así del corazón?
I'm so glad the past is all gone. Being out in the wild, being out.
Alright guys, we are almost home. I just wanted to tell you I couldn't talk because we were just trying to get it on the trailer. So we started it, but it didn't want to run. I think it's just things with the carburetor. I myself rebuilt it, which I think I did a bad job, but you know, I'm learning. So right now it's right in front of us, and then we'll see. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. Then later I'm gonna do a walk around review so you guys can see it more in detail. Right now it was just for you to guys have a look at it. And alright guys, we made it. We're home. I don't know where we're gonna park it, but okay, he's gonna back it up. He's gonna back it up all the way in. Oh, he's going first. Keep going, keep going. Right. Sakalan.
You are alone.
Guys, we made it. A nice Ford truck, doing a nice Ford Torino. Nice. 2004, I think. 350 diesel. Look at that. My brother's Jeep like this. Oh. This is it, you guys. Gonna stay here for a little bit. Wow. Figure out some stuff. Some rust, of course, but you know what? It's cool. I like it.
Your eyes were like living lights. They used to be the clearest blue. Now you don't see so well. The future's gonna land on you. Being out in the wild.
I guess that's it for today. Hope you guys like it.